Hello everyone, in this video we are going to perform a very simple Python program. In this program we have to find the length of a string. For example, there is a string hello. In this hello there are 5 characters, so its length is 5. So we have to show 5 on the screen as an output. So we have to just use len function in Python. First of all we will make a variable to store the string. Variable we will name it myString equals to Gyani Pandit. It is the string. Now we have to just use len function. Len of myString. So just writing this, we have calculated the length of whole string. Now we have to store it in a variable. So we will make it name length equals to len of myString. In the end, we have to display the final output of the program using print. Print the length of string is comma length. In the length variable, our length of string is stored. Now see, our program is fully ready to run. Now we will bring the terminal and run it. To run the program, we have to type python space name of the file gyanipandit.py. Enter. The length of the string is 11. So we will try it for another string. So we will type here hello Gyani Pandit. Now we will run again. Enter. The length of the string is 16. You can see we have performed a very simple Python program to calculate the length of a string in a very simple way. We have a lots of tutorials and courses available for you on Gyani Pandit. You can also explore them. Links are in the description.